a chance. I really want you to come bounce with me. We can bounce like a ball, so baby take it off. I've been waiting to get you home. We can do it until my moms come home. I can feel it getting strong. Let's not rush it, we can swing all day long.
Baby, put me down so we can bounce. Straight from the speakers, ain't nobody around. Baby, put me down so we can bounce. Cause you know I'm giving up the body bounce. Baby, put me down so we can bounce. Straight from school, cause ain't nobody around. Feel lay your body on my couch. Now let me prove I'm a man, not a mouse.
Ooh, baby, come on over. Let me show you what I can do. Right now I'm feeling kinda right, so I wanna bounce with you. And the feelings are so strong. So baby, let's get it on. I've been waiting to get you home. We can do it until my mom's come home. All night long. I can feel it. Oh yeah. Getting strong. Feel it getting strong. Let's not rush it. We can swing all day long. We can do it. I've been waiting to get you home. I can't wait to get you home. Yeah. I can feel it. I can feel it. Getting strong. Getting strong. Let's not rush it. We can swing all day long.
Now we got you bouncing to the chaos flow, just like the deuce on a low 6-4. Mom's is out and the party is on, and she won't be back till 6 in the morning. So just lay back and let's get it on, cause you just entered the bouncing zone.